Glimmer, to shine with a weak light or a light that is not continuous. The lights of the village were glimmering in the distance. The sky glimmered with the stars. Gleam, to produce or reflect a small, bright light. He polished the table until it gleamed. Her nails were gleamed. Glue, continuous light and or heat that is produced by something. The room was dark, except for the glue of the fire. Neon emits a characteristic red glue. Twinkle, to shine repeatedly, strongly, then weakly, as if flashing on and off very quickly. The lights of the town twinkled in the distance. The stars twinkled in the clear sky. Glisten, to shine brightly. His eyes glistened with tears. The grass glistened in the early morning dew. Shimmer, to shine with the soft light that changed strength. She could see her reflection in the water, shimmering in the moonlight. There was a shimmer of blue and white on the ground. Shine, to send out or reflect light. The sun shone all afternoon. The policeman walked along the street, shining a flashlight into every car. Sparkle, to shine brightly with a lot of small points of light. The lake sparkled in the sunlight. The candles really add a sparkle to the room. Glitter, to produce a lot of small, bright flashes of reflected light. Her diamond necklace glittered brilliantly under the spotlights. All that glitters is not gold, they say. Flash, to shine brightly and suddenly. Stop flashing that light in my eyes. The lightning flashed and distant thunder rolled.